I'm Hamza.
I'm Usman.
And I'm Ahsan.
Did you guys hear that?
Hear? What?
The weird sound from the fridge. It sounded like groaning.
Groaning? Please tell me the fridge is haunted?
Haunted? Really, Usman? You think the fridge is possessed by some leftovers?
I don't know, but it sounded like something or someone inside the fridge.
Maybe it's just the ice cream maker. They make weird noises sometimes, right?
Yeah, that's it. The ice cream maker? It's not a ghost. It's just the fridge trying to cool itself down.
Cool itself down? Sounds more like it's trying to scream for help, like it's tired of all those half-eaten pizzas served inside.
Hey, don't diss the pizzas. It's a work of art.
Sure, a work of art that's 3 weeks old. That's the real haunting here.
Okay, but let's be serious. What if it is haunted? What would a ghost want with a fridge anyway?
Maybe the ghost used to be a chef in a past life and now it's stuck in our fridge, jugging in our leftovers.
A ghost chef? So what? It's mad because we don't organize the food by expiration date.
Or it unset because we never cook anything from scratch. It's like really instant noodles again.
The ghost of a disappointed gourmet chef, forever cursed to life inside our lazy leftovers. Sounds legit.
Or maybe the ghost is just hungry. Think about if I were a ghost, the fridge would be the first place I don't hunt.
Good point. The fridge is where the snacks are. That's where I'd hang out too if I had nowhere else to go.
You guys are missing the real problem. What if it's trying to escape, like it's trapped in there and that groaning noises? Is it being for freedom?
Begging for freedom? From what? The expired yogurt?
Yeah, the yogurt is scared than any ghost could ever be.
I'm serious. What if the ghost is just trying to get out so it can haunt the whole house?
Well, I hope it enjoys haunting the fridge because if it comes out, it have to deal with me, and I don't think it can handle my midnight snack habits.
Or it just take over the kitchen, demanding gourmet meals every night.
So what do we do? Call an exorcist or just stock up our snacks and keep the ghost happy?
I say we offer eat a piece, Pretty. Leave a plate of cookies in the fridge and see if they disappear by morning.
Cookies? You think a ghost will settle for cookies?
Hey, if I were a ghost, cookies would be a pretty good offer. It's better than expired yogurt.
Fine, we'll leave the cookies. But if we wake up tomorrow and the fridge is clean, then we know for sure we got a ghost on our hands.